Hey guys, this is a new type of video. We will be experimenting with an idea that I had a little while ago. So let's check it out. So as you may well know, ABS is a particular type of plastic that dissolves in acetone, right? And because of this, they use acetone vapor to smooth out the prints, because we all know we get these layer lines even if we try to print as with like 0.1 millimeter resolution. What people do is usually heat up acetone somehow, some form of heating it up, and then put the print in the vicinity of the acetone vapors. So I thought that heating up acetone sounds like a recipe for disaster. I mean, we do not want like a meth lab kind of explosion situation. So I was thinking, I was like, okay, like how can I get acetone vapor or atomized acetone? Well, how about some ultrasonic misting, right? So these things are the ultrasonic misters that you can put in just water in your fountain or whatever. So what I'm thinking here is we take a little bit of acetone, right? Not too much. Put this in here and create some vapor, and then we can dip this in the vapor and see if that works. And that way we will not be heating up acetone. Now, I know you're thinking, oh, hey, you're not heating it up, but now you're putting electronics, like an electric charge, in an air-fuel mixture. That sounds like a terrible idea. And yeah, it kind of does sound kind of dangerous. I did check some videos about this, and it seems like people have taken it apart, and the whole electronics, everything is encased in a thick layer of epoxy. So hopefully that helps. And also, I will be wearing, of course, goggles and gas mask just in case it covers my face. I don't have a full face mask, but I should probably get one. I'm wearing jeans, boots, and a thick cotton shirt. I will be doing this outside for sure. And if something happens to me, I have someone that's gonna call 911 for me. So we're good there. Let me show you kind of how it's gonna work. Now, I will, when I do this outside, I won't do this, and when it's acetone, I won't, because you do not want to cover this, right? Because otherwise you're basically making a bomb. But this is water, so it kind of splashes around a little bit, so that's why I'm putting it there. So as you can see, it is filling up with vapor. And then now that we have a thick amount of vapor in there, what I'm going to do is unplug it, right? So we don't have power anymore. And then I will put the print in there. And let it hang in there for a little while, and then I'll take it out. So that's basically it. So I was going to make a video about how I performed the experiment, but as you can see, I did not set up my GoPro in my head the correct way. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip and tell you what the results were. So the experiment did not work. It actually melted the casing of the atomizer. It seems like it might have been made of ABS or something similar like that, and the thing didn't even turn on. It seems like the switch is up in the tower, and it didn't get activated with acetone. So it's probably because acetone is nonpolar. It couldn't conduct the electricity needed to trigger the switch. So yeah, failed experiment. So I still got all this acetone. And I was wondering, okay, I mean, there's still a lot of vapor in there. Maybe we could just put this in there. So, experiment number 2. I'm gonna leave it in there for a while, and then we'll see what the outcome is. Alright, it's been around an hour and 17 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off. Well, that is very shiny. It looks like I left it there a little too long. The string is already eating at it. It clearly can't touch this. Not yet, anyway. So I'm going to hang this. So let's let it dry, and then we'll see. All right, so it's time to check our print, and here it is. Like, man, it is super smooth. Like, if you touch it, it's kind of like, it even feels a little rubbery. Now, I definitely left it in there for way too long. An hour is not necessary. You can see that the string got like dug into the print. So, let's take it out. I mean, it seems like you still need to print at like 0.1 millimeter resolution and then do this, and then you'll get really nice things. So, moral of the story, keep it simple, stupid. The ultrasonic experiment was probably not the best idea, but it was kind of a cool thing to try. So now this is basically my new setup. This is just the leftover acetone, and of course label everything. And what I did was I took some nails and I bent them, and then I put them through this. I did glue it with like CA glue and hot glue, but that's because that's the only thing that I have. I know that acetone dissolves this glue, so if you have a better idea what glue I should use, because I know acetone dissolves a lot of polymers, then please leave it in the comments. In the meantime, I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of this saran wrap on top, and then I'll just close it like this so that I don't have any leaks. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and smooth out your stuff. If you like this or any of my other videos, please check out my GoFundMe campaign. All the proceeds go towards my education. You can click here for that. Or, if you want, you can do it through PayPal in the description below.